Your AC is outdated and quietly draining your money. Millions waste electricity daily because of one thing, their air conditioner. In 2026, a new system is quietly taking over everywhere. It's called VRF, and once you understand how it works, you might never look at a normal AC the same way again. Let me show you something. Have you ever noticed your AC turning on, then off, then on again? That constant switching isn't just annoying, it's wasting your electricity and your money. Every time your AC starts, it consumes a huge amount of power, then it stops, then it starts again, over and over. That's how traditional split AC systems work. Now imagine this instead. Now what if your AC didn't just turn on and off? What if it adjusted itself smoothly based on exactly how much cooling you need? That's exactly what VRF does. VRF stands for Variable Refrigerant Flow, and unlike a normal AC, it doesn't treat every room the same. Instead of one AC per room, VRF uses a single outdoor unit connected to multiple indoor units. But here's the powerful part. It controls how much cooling goes to each room individually. If one room needs more cooling, it gets more. If another room needs less, it gets less. Automatically. No waste, no unnecessary power usage. Now here's where it gets really interesting. A normal split AC works like a switch, full power, then off, then full power again. But VRF works like a dimmer. It increases or decreases power smoothly, which means it only uses the energy it actually needs. And this simple difference can reduce electricity consumption by up to 30 to 40%. Yes, up to 40%. Now think about your electricity bill. Imagine cutting that almost in half. That's why businesses are switching fast. But that's not even the craziest feature. VRF systems can do something that normal ACs simply cannot. They can cool and heat at the same time. One room can be cooling while another room is heating. So we using the same system sounds impossible, right? But here's how it works. Instead of wasting heat from one room, VRF transfers that heat to another room that needs it. So energy is not wasted, it's reused. That's called heat recovery. And it's one of the biggest reasons why VRF is so efficient. Now imagine controlling all of these from a single system, different rooms, different temperatures, different needs, all controlled automatically or even from your phone. This is called zoning, and it completely changes how air conditioning works. In a large building, you might have 30, 40, even 50 rooms. Now imagine installing separate ACs for each one. Too many outdoor units, too much wiring, too much maintenance, and a huge electricity bill. That's where VRF wins. One system, multiple rooms, perfect control. That's why you'll find VRF systems in hotels, shopping malls, IT offices, hospitals, anywhere that needs efficient cooling on a large scale. But let's be real for a second. VRF is not perfect. It does have some downsides. The initial cost is high, installation is complex, and not every technician knows how to handle it. That's why you don't see it in every home yet. But here's what's coming next. As technology improves and costs start to come down, VRF systems will slowly move into residential homes. Just like inverter AC replaced old AC systems, VRF could be the next big shift. So the next time you think about buying an AC, ask yourself this one question: am I choosing old technology or the future? Because right now, VRF is not just another AC system, it's the direction the entire HVAC industry is moving towards. And in a few years, what feels like advanced technology today might become the new standard. So what would you choose? A traditional split AC or a smart, energy-efficient VRF system? Comment yes if you would choose VRF, or no if you still prefer split AC. And if you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe, because I'll be breaking down more real-world HVAC secrets that can save you thousands. Welcome back to SR HVAC. See you in the next video.